Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to set up wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's unlock the list of all apps, choose settings. Here you need to find and select the display, choose wallpaper. As you can see here, you can use live wallpapers if you have some. You can use photos, so you can select one of your photos, or you can use the wallpapers that Xiaomi prepare for you. So as you can see, this is the gallery from Xiaomi. In my case, for example, let me use the following one and let me set this wallpaper. Now you have to choose either you would like to use it for your home screen, lock screen, or for your both screens. In my case, let me use the lock screen. And as you may notice right now, if you press the power key, you will see your new wallpaper. Let me show you again. That's it, this is the new wallpaper. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.